In this video, you will get knowledge about the UPS. Now, you can see in the video, this is the 10 kVA UPS system. So, in this video, I will show how to install UPS 10 kVA. So, this is the main display of the UPS. Now, this is the LN UPS 10 kVA. You will see neutral to phase voltage is a single phase UPS. Now it is running and not at the standby. You will see the frequency, voltage, and the circuitry and flow diagram. Here I will show you the connections. This is the output, and the second was the input. This is the input breaker, battery terminal, and the communication RS22 232 USB, and these are the exhaust fan for the cooling. This is the battery panel and connection of battery to UPS. This is the battery bank. Complete setup.